have to substitute the value, or we have to place the value of t as IW in moment generating function. Characteristic function for any random variable is defined by substituting t is equal to IW, where what is I represents the imaginary number or unit in moment generating function. So moment generating function का extension है characteristic function. So what is the moment generating function? It is given by expectation of e to the power tx. So as I said, moment generating function is expectation of e to the power tx. So replacing t by IW, I get the notation for the characteristic function as phi, which is moment generating function for IW, and which will be given by expectation of e to the power IWX. So the moment generating function में t का वैल्यू किससे रिप्लेस करना है? IW से. Rest all process will remain the same. So how is characteristic function denoted by? Characteristic function is denoted by phi x power IWX. If x is a discrete random variable with probability function f of x, if x is a discrete random variable with probability function f of x, phi x of w will be expectation of e to the power IWX. And what is expectation of e to the power IWX? In case of discrete random variable, जिस किसी का भी expectation निकालना है, summation multiplied by f of x. So summation e to the power IWX multiplied by f of x. In case of continuous random variable, this summation will be replaced by integration. So how is characteristic function given by? Phi x of w is equal to phi x of w is equal to e to the power phi x of w is expectation of e to the power IWX, integral from minus infinity to infinity e to the power IWX into f of x dx, right? So summation is replaced by integral, and that particular e to the power IWX will be multiplied by probability, which is given by f of x. So in Taylor series expansion also we can easily obtain as what we have done in the earlier case. Now the example related to the characteristic function of a random variable. We have to find the characteristic function of a random variable x whose density function is given by f of x is given by x by 2, 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2, and 0 otherwise. Directly nothing is asked, so I will implement the formula for the characteristic function. What is the formula for characteristic function, or what is the definition of characteristic function? Characteristic function phi x of w is expectation of e to the power IWX, and we know that for whichever term the expectation is to be taken, that is multiplied by f of x and integrated between the concerned boundaries in a case of continuous random variable. यहाँ पर it is range or interval. So how the random variable is? Random variable is continuous random variable. So integral from minus infinity to infinity e to the power IWX multiplied by f of x. But मेरा range किसके लिए defined है? 0 to 2 के लिए. So I will be getting the answer for 0 to 2 e to the power IWX into x by 2 dx. Apply Liet rule. 1 by 2 को बाहर रखना चाहे तो रख सकते हो. x multiplied by e to the power IWX के लिए कौन सा रूल अप्लाई करोगे? Liet rule. By applying Liet rule and integrating by parts, putting the limit between 0 to 2, you should get your answer as this particular term. Integration of x by 2 into e to the power IWX. Integration of e to the power IWX is e to the power IWX upon IW minus derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2, and integration of e to the power IWX will again be e to the power IWX upon IW का multiplication with IW means I square W square. So accordingly we will be having down the integration. Put the limit 0 to 2. आपका ये आंसर जो है that will be giving you the characteristic function for the given term. So this is how we try to calculate the characteristic function for the given function, which is, or given random variable which is in the form of continuous random variable. तो यहाँ मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं निकालना है, डायरेक्टली यू नीड टू यूज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द expectation of e to the power iwx. Moment generating function is expectation of e to the power tx. T is replaced by iw where I is imaginary in a case of characteristic function. We saw the definition that replace a t by iw in moment generating function. Whatever will be the expectation, that is called as the characteristic function. So this is one of the example wherein you need to calculate the characteristic function which is given by f of x is equal to x by 2 for the range 0 less than equal to 2. Case of continuous random variable for characteristic function. The other example what we have in our
Sir?
calculation, yes
सर वो फाइनल आंसर प्लीज शो ना.
2w e to the power 2iw.
आई के जगह 1 आया
कहां पर
सर? ये लास्ट माइनस आई के जगह -1.
after taking the LCM beta it will be iw कि नहीं. 2i LCM क्या रहेगा? iw and 2w square.
Yes,
so
sir.
2iw square will be the LCM. So 1 will be multiplied by I because 2w square is already there in the denominator.
Okay, sir.
Right? What is the LCM of these two terms? LCM of these two terms is yes. And therefore it will be multiplied by I. You can go through the calculations, right? There is no harm. You can verify it. The second part, the second example is, this is very important or typical because some logic is to be applied there. Find the characteristic function of the random variable x whose density function. डेंसिटी फंक्शन बोले तो फिर से कौन सा वेरिएबल है? कंटिन्यूअस रैंडम वेरिएबल है. हाउ इज इट डिफाइंड बाय f of x is 1/2 alpha mod x is less than or equal to alpha. mod x is less than or equal to alpha. now कोई मुझे बता सकता है कि mod x का वैल्यू क्या होता है? mod x is हमेशा absolute value. Absolute value of any number is always positive. But what is actual definition? mod x का actual definition है x for x greater than 0 and minus x for x less than 0. This is the definition. तो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू के लिए mod x पॉजिटिव देता है आंसर. नेगेटिव वैल्यू के लिए इट इज माइनस ऑफ नेगेटिव वैल्यू एंड माइनस ऑफ नेगेटिव वैल्यू बिकम्स प्लस. इसीलिए हमेशा अपने को पता है कि mod x is always positive. But actual definition of mod x is this. And that logic we have to apply over here क्योंकि मुझे range of integration चाहिए. So how is function 1/2 alpha mod x less than equal to alpha? Mod x less than equal to alpha means it is ranging between minus alpha to alpha. आप देखो mod x will be written as mod x is less than equal to alpha. यानी x will be in between minus alpha to alpha. क्योंकि मुझे तो इंटीग्रेशन रेंज के लिए करना है ना, mod x के लिए इंटीग्रेशन नहीं हो सकता. इंटीग्रेशन should be for the variable x and therefore I found out the way that x will be ranging from minus x to x when it is x. So x will be ranging between minus alpha to alpha when it is mod x less than equal to alpha. This is as per the definition of the absolute value or the modulus. So mod x is less than equal to alpha means x will be lying between minus alpha to alpha. So what is characteristic function? E to the power iwx integration from minus infinity to infinity e to the power iwx into f of x. f of x क्या डिफाइंड है? 1/2 अल्फा. बट किसके लिए? mod x less than equal to alpha के लिए. but mod x less than equal to alpha is now resolved as minus alpha less than equal to x less than equal to alpha. तो इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो गया? minus alpha to alpha. अरे 1/2 अल्फा तो कांस्टेंट है, ओनली इंटीग्रेशन किसका लिया जाएगा? e to the power iw अल्फा का. व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e to the power iw अल्फा? iwx. integration of e to the power iwx is e to the power iwx upon iw. put lower limit as minus infinity, upper limit as put lower limit as minus alpha, upper limit as alpha. After putting, you get the definition in the exponential form, which gives you sin e to the power I theta. sin theta का फॉर्मूला क्या है? e to the power I theta minus e to the power minus I theta upon 2i is sin theta. ठीक है? So accordingly, what is coefficient of I? Alpha w. What is coefficient of I? Alpha w. डिनोमिनेटर में भी क्या है? 2i. तो अल्फा w एज इट इज रहेगा. ये 2i अगर इधर जम जाता है तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? साइन अल्फा w. सो दिस इज इन केस ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर I, the Euler's formula says that sin theta is e to the power I theta minus e to the power minus I theta upon 2i. So इसका आंसर क्या आता है? sin alpha w upon alpha w. So this is what the simplification is for the example related to the characteristic function. So this was one of the again example related to the characteristic